Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. Let me first apologize because I was supposed to upload this video yesterday and I just did not make it to the store like I had planned to. I am so sorry. But I wanted to come on here and show you guys the template. I came up with two different ones for the bubbles. It was a request. Now these bubbles I just got from my local Dollar Tree. Nothing special. What's the size of them? The size is 4 ounces. As you can see right there, nothing special, 4 ounces. 3 in a pack for $1. And like I said, I did two different templates. One of the labels or templates look like this. They are just the long one, and it goes over the whole bubble bottle. Now the second one I just did, going off of what it already looks like, which is like this, which this is also something you can do as well. So if you are on my Patreon page, then I will pretty much be giving you the measurements for both of these templates. I'm so sorry that I did not upload this yesterday. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. As always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.